Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can load your bike safely all by yourself on van or trailer. All we need is a bike ramp. But remember that you need this stripe and you need to fasten it, because when the bike will be riding inside by itself on first gear, if you don't have this stripe, you add some gas, the bike can just throw the ramp by itself underneath, so it will drop here on this, so it's not good. So we need a stripe, fasten it, so you make sure that it doesn't drop off. Now it's safe. We go to the bike, we start it up. If your bike is cold and it goes on choke, so the idle is high, just wait a second until it drops to the normal idling speed, the RPMs, so it's safer. Most of the bikes are strong enough that you don't need to use the throttle. All you will need is to control the clutch, to let the bike go by itself, but be aware to have the right hand on your brakes. So we start it up. We put the first gear and we slowly release the clutch. Okay, so if you are in this state now, don't let the bike stall or go back, just hold the right hand on your brakes, like this. You keep the brakes on, and when you want to go in, you have to release the clutch slowly, so that the bike goes by itself. Guys, what's important, if your van or a trailer is higher than mine, so it means you have much more angle here, you should have much longer ramp, because otherwise you will get stuck here with the underneath of your bike. This is all safe only if you are gentle with your clutch. You cannot release it, like, you cannot drop it, because the bike will stall or wanna go on wheelie, so it's not good. More likely it will stall. The second thing is, if it's raining or it's snowy, it's better to just push the bike to the inside with somebody's help. It's not a good idea when it's snowing and the ramp gets slippery, as well as the rear wheel, because it's very likely that the bike will want to drop from the ramp. So it's only safe when it's dry or almost dry. Do it very carefully. Beware that you have to be very gentle with your clutch. As I told you before, you don't need to use throttle in most bikes. Just go on with first gear and slowly release the clutch. When you are here approaching to enter the van, all you do is hold the brakes or keep the clutch a little engaged, so the bike stays, it doesn't want to go back then. So you go with your one leg, you release more of the clutch and you go to the inside. That's how we do. The same thing is for taking it out. Of course, there's no need to start up your engine, just watch your way so the rear wheel goes on the ramp, not somewhere between, and that's how it is. I hope you like this video. I know it's very short and it's very simple, but I think many people are still struggling to load their bike safely on their cars or so on or trailers. If you like this kind of video, just drop me a big thumbs up, some comments, subscribe to this channel. I will post more videos like that. All will be directly connected to motorcycles, or some tips like how to and so on. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.